This easy DIY is sure to explode on your 4th of July holiday. What you'll need: regular sized balloons, paper cups, red, white, and blue confetti, tape, scissors, and tissue paper. First, use the scissors to cut out the bottom of the cup. Next, tie a knot at the end of the balloon, cut off the top, and use the balloon to cover the bottom of the cup. Secure it with tape. Place a large pinchful of confetti into the cup. Cover the top with tissue paper and secure it with tape. Repeat these steps as many times as you like, and when you're ready to use, simply puncture a hole in the top, pull back the balloon, and release, and your party guests will get a confetti surprise. Happy 4th of July from BoardBox.